Jamaican political drama unfolds and Marky G is hiding from himself. Imagine that, my people. Marky G's dirty lying behavior is about to catch up with him, and Marky G no want that. The evil you do will come back to you. But as me say, Marky G no want that. Hey everyone, it's Skywalker again. I am high on this Jamaican coffee, and I feel like telling all my listeners how grateful I am for your support. Your subscriptions, your views, and your likes have pushed this little channel past the 500 subscriber mark. Let's continue with the mission. Continue with your support and let's make another 500. The fact that you love to stop here makes me determined to make it a great hangout for all of us. I hope everyone is doing great at the young part of 2025. This will be a wonderful year, so please be positive. Now, let's get down to business. Ladies and gentlemen, gather round for the ultimate showdown in Jamaican politics. In the green corner, you know it's our own Jamaican bred Andrew Holness, the man who seems to have a Teflon coating against corruption allegations, lies, and defaming by political grudges. He is one of us. Him knows big like a fiwi, but bigger than most. And the bigger the nose, the bigger the royal black bloodline. That's why white people shoot them off. They shoot them off at the great images of Egypt. Andrew is focused on work, and his integrity is like a shield of steel. Now, in the orange corner, lad, me have to introduce all him so too. Wow. He is no homebred, although he says so, but he is the author of the book of He Lie because he lies. He really, really lies. He is the lying, fly over to Jamaica by night, British man from London to illegally sit in our parliament and thief, sell Senate seats, pay gangsters and sidestep the police, recruit political criminals, and tell lies. He is Mark Golding, who is juggling more scandals than a soap opera villain. First up, Andrew Holness. Despite being bombarded with propaganda and allegations, he's managed to keep his cool. The comrade ridden Integrity Commission tried to paint him as corrupt, but it seems they were using watercolors and a Teflon pan. Nothing stuck. Nothing stuck. Wholeness is like that one student who always gets accused of cheating, but somehow aces every test fair and square until bad mind Marky G start to ball. Can't touch this. Pam, pananam, panam, panam. Can't touch this. Andrew is entering the election with a track record of economic growth, poverty reduction, and a bunch of shiny new projects. It's like he's saying, look at all the great things I've done, and I'm not even done yet. No, let's switch gears to Mark Golding, author of the book of Heli, but lad, me have to talk about him though. Whoa, whoa, oh boy. Where do we start? The Lawrence Rowe issue is like a crazier than crazy soap opera that goes into drunko settings. Where is where you might find to be Mark's comfort zone, the drunko settings. Because liars and thieves are in that mode, the drunko mode. And the story is that Lawrence Rowe did enter that drunko mode in order to do drunko stuff for Mark Golding. But I won't even bother. We can't bother. So let's skip over that part. It's information, but we can't even talk about them. Just know that some drunko stuff was going on, peeps. This part of the video is no joke. So even though me have to skip it out, me nah laugh. Golding's own words have come back to bite him, and it's not a pretty sight. He's been accused of selling seats, including to the Senate, which is like selling the court to criminals. The perception alone is bad enough, but then he goes and sides with shady characters on his conference trail. It's like he's auditioning for a role in a gangster movie. I remember him in Parliament going off about brrr, 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 and I did not even realize that it was a 16 he was planning to bust in there. The man a gangster. The man a gangster, me G. And let's not forget his speech supporting a known drug dealer who proved to be so unrepentant that he got charged multiple times. Andrew, Andrew is up against the author of the book of Eli's. Mark Golding tried to get Vibes Cartel, a convicted gangster who still declares his allegiance to a gang, to be a political candidate. He wanted Cartel to run as a political candidate. Candidate. I'm serious. I know, they know, and Cartel knows. Imagine Cartel as prime minister, taking orders from his dad. It's like Marky G is saying, hey, if you have got a criminal record, you are perfect for politics. Meanwhile, he's been working hard to paint Andrew Holness as corrupt, using the Integrity Commission as his paintbrush. You see, the comrade ridden Integrity Commission. But when Holness takes the IC to court to resolve differences, Golding cries foul, claiming it's an attempt to weaken the IC. Talk about a plot twist. Talk about the author of the book of He Lies. Mark Golding now has to be running from the results of the deeds of Mark Golding that he cannot face. Mark Golding has got to go. Mark Golding has got to go. Jamaica needs him out yesterday. I know it. The PNP knows it. And every comrade and gangster in Jamaica knows it too. Besides, besides, why a politician want to come and take away gangster work from gangsters? Huh? Bad mind and grudgeful so? Everything them see black people want, they want it too. I heard someone say that one day. Mark British comes from London with the same kind of bad mind. Golding has got more issues to deal with than a tabloid magazine. His party members are caught in corruption scandals, causing serious losses to Jamaica's coffers and paying money to gangs. It's like they are running a charity for criminals, and then There is the talk of new taxes, which is like trying to sell a diet plan to a chocolate lover. People are suspicious, and rightfully so, given the PNP's history. In contrast, Holness is like the golden boy of Jamaican politics. He's got a strong track record, a positive image, and a bunch of successful projects under his belt. It's like he's saying, I've done great things and I'm just getting started. Meanwhile, Golding is left trying to clean up his image, which is like trying to polish a rusty old car. So, there you have it. There you have it, peeps. The political landscape in Jamaica is as dramatic as ever, with Holness and Golding playing their roles to perfection. Stay tuned for more twists and turns in this political saga because you must know the everyday going ons because you can't be sideswiped by the author of the book of Heli because Jamaica has too much to lose, because Andrew is on the right trajectory and the glory of Jamaica is winding down and bringing us the ultimate satisfaction of Jamaica's jubilee. Think on these things, my people. Peace out.